Ready to unlock a safer and easier way to pay on Dhgate? First, head over to Dhgate and sign into your account. If you don't have one yet, take a quick moment to register. Browse or search for the items you want, and once you've found that perfect product, click the Buy Now button. You'll be taken to the order confirmation page. Review your order details carefully, making sure everything is correct. Now, scroll down until you see the payment options. Look for the PayPal logo. Click on the PayPal option to select it as your payment method. You'll be redirected to PayPal's secure login page. Enter your PayPal email address and password to log in. Review the payment details carefully within PayPal, ensuring the amount and recipient are correct. If everything looks good, click the Agree and Pay button to authorize the transaction. You will be automatically redirected back to Dhgate. You should see an order confirmation page indicating your payment was successful via PayPal. And that's it. You've successfully paid with PayPal on Dhgate. Remember that paying through PayPal gives you an extra layer of security with their beer protection program. Happy shopping!